Understanding on the Family Tree, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations, on the family tree. This expression is not just about trees or nature, but it's deeply rooted in how we talk about family relationships and ancestry. So, if you've ever been curious about how to understand and use this phrase, you're in the right place. On the family tree refers to the position or relationship of a family member within the broader context of the family's history or lineage. Imagine a tree where every branch represents a different generation or line of the family. People on the family tree are those individuals who are part of this interconnected network, whether they are ancestors, such as great-grandparents, or descendants, like grandchildren. A family tree is essentially a diagram that maps out the relationships between different family members across generations. At the top, you might find the earliest known ancestors, and as you move down the tree, you encounter their descendants, branching out into various family lines. Each person on the family tree has a specific spot that denotes their relationship to others, such as parent, child, sibling, cousin, etc. 1. Describing ancestry. My great-great-grandmother appears high on the family tree, right at the top. 2. Explaining relationships. Did you know that we are related? You are on the family tree as my second cousin once removed. 3. Genealogical research. I've been researching my genealogy and found several new names to add on the family tree. Family trees hold a deep cultural significance in many societies. They are not just tools for understanding genetic relationships but also a way to preserve history, legacy, and identity. Being on the family tree signifies belonging to a particular lineage and can evoke a sense of pride, belonging, and continuity across generations. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of being on the family tree. It's a beautiful expression that connects us to our past and helps us understand our place in the ongoing story of our families. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to expand your vocabulary, phrases like these enrich your understanding of language and culture. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.